¿Qué Pote's face?
Mira, señor.
You look at his face. Oh my gosh.
Look at his face. Look at him scared.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. Anaya, come here, babe.
No, stay over here, Naya.
Go!
They're gonna get you. They're gonna get you. Oh, this is so funny. Oh. They're gonna get you. They're gonna get you. They're gonna get you.
Say no. I need some water. No.
Yo, they want it. They want it.
They want that one sticking up.
They want that one sticking up.
No more.
No. Put it down. Oh, he's coming. Look at him looking. No, you gotta get away. They don't want the one next to your face.
Because it keeps scaring them off. Oh my goodness.
They're scared. Don't scare them. They're coming closer. Look at them.
All right, Adrian, they're coming.
They're coming, Adrian.
What's up, man? All right, back up. Y'all gotta move away.
Back up.
Y'all gotta move this way. Anaya, come this way. Anaya, come this way.
Anaya, move back.
Anaya, come here. It's okay. Come here. Come here, Anaya. The birdie's gonna eat the chip.
Look at that big white one looking at you, Alan.
That's a big one.
That was nice and fat.
That will eat your lips off. Right? Put one in his mouth. Ew, no.
Let them walk on you. They're getting in.
You're not supposed to get to your face.
You gotta get back. Ooh. Don't move. They like the Cheetos better. How they look that close? They got fleas?
Oh my goodness.
Come. Yo, they want it. You sit still. They want it. Look at him. Look at the macho.
They see you blinking.
They're like, man, he's alive.
Your face is going to be darker than your body.
Don't laugh. Look at him. He's yelling at you.
Ellos dicen, por fin nos estamos comunicando. What, the white one?
Yeah, you know, big we did something, we all knew about the way. How do you know that's a hen? Not a hen.
Look at that big white one. That thing is near his face.
Yeah, this one.